What's going on, guys? This is Speed, and in this tutorial we are going to work with the media elements. So if we later on working with the any of the website or as a freelancer, and we want to add the video or audio file to a website, then we can easily add by the help of the your audio and video tags. So we generally work with the audio and video file only. So we are going to take a look on them only. And so let's get started and see how to implement the audio or video file. Okay, in simple word, we are going to add the video and the audio files using your HTML. Okay, and now if I talk about, first of all, let me talk about the video tag over here. So if you want to add a video, then we have the video tag over here. And what you can do over here, you can just write like video and press enter, and it will automatically going to add the video tag. So this is the use of your IDE, means you don't have to write the whole code. You just write the starting word and it will automatically predict what you mean and just make your coding faster. Okay, so it's not necessary for you to work with the IDE, means you can just also work with your notepad or any of the simple text editor, but I recommend you to work with the IDE because your IDE makes your coding faster and more efficient. So later on, now you have to make a rid of use of your IDE, okay, because it will going to help you a lot in the future. And now here I'm having two of my files, so you can see that this is the index, your video file, and this is your audio file. Let me just show you over here only. So for adding a source over here, what I can do is src stand for source. I can just press the dot and your /. So this is the way for adding a file, or you can say linking a file with an HTML document. Okay, so you can see over here that I'm having the Inazuma 11 episode 45 English dub.mp4 format, and mp4 stand for your video file. And I'm having one more file which is your best of me music. I just like it. The mp3 in the mp3 format means the audio file. So if I want to, as I'm going to work with the video files, what I can do over here, I can just add the video file over here like this. And now if I just launch it with my open server, live server, sorry, not the open server, then you can see on my web browser that it is showing me an image, means the thumbnail of the video, but it's not going to play the video or not going to give me the controls over here, like I have the play buttons or pause button, increasing the volume, up and down button like that. So here I'm talking about the controls. So what I can do over here, I can just come over here and I can add the control keyword over here. So the control keyword going to tell the browser that this is a video file and having the controls of the play button or the download button or something like that. So let's go and check it out. So now you can see that I'm having a play button over here. I can play my button, play this video. I can just drag this playback. You can see this loading icon, and I can just set it to any of the plays that I want. I can mute my video. I can just unmute it. I can just set the volume up and down as for my wish. I can make this video full size, the full screen, you can see. And the one more feature, which is the picture in picture, you can see the YouTube generally provides us this feature, the picture in picture. And we can just go back to it. You can also download this video by clicking this icon. And I hope that's all for this video, for adding the video tag. And now if I move on to the audio file and I want to work with the audio, then what I can do over here, I can just write like audio file over here. Just comment only with audio tag. I'm gonna work with the audio tag over here. And audio tag of what? Okay, audio tag is also having the same method of adding. So what I can do over here, I can just select audio, and it will going to ask me for the source. I can provide a source to it like this. And okay, let me just comment out this video because it's going to take some space over there. I just remove this. Okay, I'm removing this video file from here. Okay. Alright. So now if I go over here, you can see over here that I have the audio file doesn't pop up on my web browser. Okay. So as I talk about And in the case of the video, I have already talked about the controls, so I have to specify the controls over here also. And as soon as I specify the controls, it's going to provide me the play button, the pause. Maybe my family members get woke up. So this is the way of adding the audio or video files to your website. And I hope that's all for this tutorial, guys. And if you have any query or you feel that you didn't understand any point, you can comment below or ask me through my WhatsApp number. I have provided the WhatsApp group link in the very description of the video, so you will find that. And if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe it or watch the previous tutorial. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching.